Hello guys, welcome to TRX Market. Today we're going to talk about how to log in and trade on TRX Market. Step 1. Add TRON link extension. Open Chrome browser, enter TRX.market, enter the exchange website. Click the login button in the upper right corner. If you haven't installed the TRON link, click download link, jump to the Chrome App Store. Click Add to Chrome, add the extension program, then TRON link installation is finished. Second step, create TRON link account. Click the TRON link plugin, set the password. Enter the password again. Click Continue. Choose Create Account. Set your account name, such as TRXMarket. Continue. Then backup the mnemonic code. Here reminds you, you must take a picture or take a copy of your mnemonic code. Please keep it properly. When the backup is complete, click Continue and enter the mnemonic words you just backed up in sentence. You must enter them in order, otherwise they will fail to create them. Confirm. Then the TRON link account creation is complete. Third step, TRX deposit. TRX Market is a decentralized exchange that doesn't have direct access to your private keys or assets. You need to transfer TRX into the new created TRON link address. Click Receive and copy the address. You can choose to transfer money from other TRON wallets or decentralized exchange to this wallet address. After the transfer is completed, you can go to TRX Market for trading. Fourth step, trading. After deposit, back to TRX Market website, click Login. Click TRON link to login. Click on Exchange and select the token to be traded. Let's take BTT as an example. You can choose limit price or market price mode. Input the price and trading amount. Click Buy. Click Accept. Refresh. Now you can view the transaction process in the current order. For unfilled order, you can choose Cancel. And the corresponding TRX will be back to your wallet. For filled orders can be viewed in My Tradings. So now you have successfully completed a transaction. Now get ready to trade on TRX Market. That's the end of today's guide. Welcome to TRX Market for trading. For more information, you can follow our official social channel. Bye.